In the tranquil and exclusive tree-lined lanes of the prestigious close-in Memorial District of Houston lies a pristine residence of rare beauty and grandeur. Peacefully located at the end of a cul-de-sac, the home is accessed by way of a gated circular driveway, which leads to the elegant neoclassical architectural lines of the facade and the covered front doors. From the moment you enter, you are immersed in a refined world of sophisticated design and traditional style. The formal rooms enjoy an open floor plan on marble floors and are separated only by columns. Centered by the sweeping staircase, you pass from formal dining room to formal living room and past a two-sided fireplace into a sitting room with fully fitted bar, perfect for entertaining. The family room, kitchen and breakfast area also enjoy a light open floor plan and deliver a superb space where family and friends can gather in a relaxed environment. The family room boasts fitted cabinetry and a fireplace, whilst the kitchen features a huge centre cooking island, granite countertops and backsplash, and the finest high-end appliances. The breakfast room gives access to the extraordinary rear yard, where a large classic swimming pool allows for lap training. Large patios offer outdoor dining and relaxing, and a ramada is the perfect place for hosting grand events. On the upper level, past the ultimate executive office, you discover the spectacular master bedroom suite, which is a lavish private retreat, enjoying a large bedroom with sitting area and fireplace, a beautifully appointed bathroom and fitted closets. The floor concludes with a wonderful den and further bedroom suites, each immaculately presented, and some enjoying the bonus of loft space. On the lower level, the entertaining potential continues, with an atmospheric dining room with fireplace and smoked glass walls, conveniently situated next to a climate-controlled wine cellar. For a healthy body, the floor includes a spacious fitness room with sauna and shower. In one of the city's most desirable locations, this grand estate offers the perfect combination of traditional style, luxurious leisure facilities, and total privacy to create a lifestyle experience of rare quality.